Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoha and today I'm going to make Arabic pickle, which is also known as mukhallal. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my videos, smash that like button. This pickle is highly eaten in Middle Eastern countries and can be accompanied with shawarma, falafel and other Arabian cuisine. The ingredients we'll need to make this Arabic pickle are 1 bowl of cucumber, 1 bowl of carrots, 1 bowl of radish, handful of green chillies. You can either use the small round ones or the long ones, few cloves of garlic, 1½ tablespoon of salt, 3 cups of hot water, 1 cup of white vinegar. To make this Arabic pickle, you'll need a jar. Add your cucumbers, carrots, radish, green chilies. Here I have 2 types of green chilies. You can use any. Here I am using both. And a few cloves of garlic. One tablespoon of salt, two cups of hot water, and 1 cup of vinegar. So I added 1 cup of hot water to soak all the vegetables, so that makes a total of 3 cups of hot water. This pickle will be ready to eat within 1 week. So it has been 15 days since I have made this pickle. I stored it into small batches for easy use. You can eat this pickle with Arabic dishes as well as Indian dishes, as it goes well with all dishes, but especially Arabic dishes. You can store this pickle in a glass jar and refrigerate it for a very long time. As you can see, the cucumbers and the chilies have changed its color from bright green to olive green. This is a sign that your pickle is ready to eat and it is very tender. Do try making this pickle and let me know in the comments below how was your experience making it, and like always, I'll see you the next time. Bye!